Memorial Day. It became the Super Bowl at backyard barbecues. But whether you're taking a few laps in the pool, having a bonfire, or simply cooking up a few burgers and dogs on the grill, we often forget the true meaning of the holiday. So here's a quick, historic video playing tribute to Memorial Day. Thank you and enjoy. Memorial Day is an American holiday honoring the men and women who died while serving in the military. Mainly having their gravesites decorated with flags and flowers, but back in the day, not everyone took part of decorating gravesites. Dating back to 1861 to 1865, we had the American Civil War, with a high fatality rate of 650,000. Towards the end of the war, soldiers and mourners would decorate the graves of fallen soldiers while others didn't partake. John A. Logan then declared May 30th to be Decoration Day. Some years would pass by until they would ultimately change the name to Memorial Day. Memorial Day started being celebrated globally as we approached the end of the Second World War. Some stats state up to 80 million fatalities. In 1971, Memorial Day became an official holiday, also being switched on May 30th to the fourth Monday in May, giving us all a 3-day weekend. So that's how Memorial Day became a holiday. God bless America. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.